Musamseleku wish a lot of his fans to support Macele more than Makhumalo. Makhumalo have got a lot of fans more than other wives. Mangwabe have got her own fans. Mayeni have got her own fans. Macele her own fans. But people, they support Makhumalo more than other wives. Musamseleku hate that because the way he is talking bad things about Makhumalo nowadays and the way he is talking good things about Macele. Macele is a good wife. They try to expose Makhumalo about that child, that Makhumalo have got a child she didn't told me. Musamselek was trying to tarnish Makhumalo's name. But people will continue supporting Makhumalo. Makhumalo have got a lot of followers more than other wives. That's Musamseleku yet. Because Musamseleku wish those things happen to Mayeni and Macele, what I saw. But when it comes to Makhumalo, you know that people, we love the person who is being hated on that program because Msamseleku and his wives, they hate Makhumalo. And people, we love that person. Msamseleku did not know the game of the show because Msamseleku maybe he want to have that game that if he hate Makhumalo, people, he is, you know that Musamseleku is promoting Makhumalo. The way Musamseleku hate Makhumalo since season 1, people, they watch that Musamseleku doesn't love Makhumalo. For all those wives, Makhumalo is not the person who is not loved by Musamseleku. That's the fans fall in love with Makhumalo. Fans love Makhumalo. Guys, Makhumalo, she is being loved by her fans a lot. Because Musamseleku doesn't love her. It's not means. And Musamseleku, he gave Makhumalo power. The power on that program. Because Makhumalo now is the engine of Utando Nesembo. Without Makhumalo, there is no program. Imagine there is Uncut and the program of Mayeni, what, and people, we are very confusing. Where is Makhumalo? Because Makhumalo was the last, and Makhumalo trend a lot on social media. So without Makhumalo, there is no Utando Nesembo. Musamseleku was the one who gave Makhumalo power. The way they hate Makhumalo, Mayeni was saying bad things about Makhumalo. Macele starting bullying Makhumalo, saying bad things, cutting hair, umembezo. Macele says there is no umembezo. What Musamseleku was very happy. What that's people, they fall in love with Makhumalo, and the way he hates Makhumalo, the way he is choosing Makhumalo, he says, I'm not coming to your house. What the way Makhumalo is gaining fans. Musamseleku doesn't know the game of this program. Musamseleku doesn't play the game because the way he is saying big things about Macele who did good things about Macele, yes, she is a good woman at other side, but when it comes to bully, Macele, she is too bully to Makhumalo. I don't want to lie, she is very bully because I don't understand why she hates my Makhumalo. Even Mayeni, why she hate Makhumalo is that they don't give us the reason why they hate Makhumalo. You understand? So the moment they hate Makhumalo, they say bad things because everyone, even Mangwabe, was saying about Makhumalo's father, what. So people, they are saying Makhumalo, the way Makhumalo, she is getting more fans. Musamseleku promote Makhumalo. That's why Makhumalo is the only wife who have got more companies, more brains to advertise, because more companies, they saw that Makhumalo is the engine. Makhumalo is the engine of Utando Nesembo. So that's why you saw, even when it came to Musamseleku and Makhumalo, what I saw, even Utando Nesembo is playing. People, they don't pay more attention to Musamseleku and Macele. To Musamseleku, yes, and Mayeni and Mangwabe, yes. But people, they pay more attention to Makhumalo. Well, you know that when it comes to that party of Musamseleku and Makhumalo, I don't want my kids to make any noise. I want to hear very well that what they are saying, Musamseleku and Makhumalo. If you look at that party, it trends so much on social media. He knows Musamseleku very well that when it comes to Makhumalo's party, Makhumalo, she is playing the role. Makhumalo was doing dramas at awards, what. She was dancing, what. people they pay more attention on her on her on that part the more than other wives parts than Mangwawe, Mayeni, and Macel. But when it comes to Makumalo is the engine of Utando Nestembu. Without Makumalo, there is no Utando Nestembu. Musamselek gave Makuma. He doesn't know that he is giving Tobile power to have more fans